Sick of random lag spikes and high ping ruining your Fortnite matches? In this video, I'll show you the exact network and system tweaks you need to unlock the smoothest, lowest ping gameplay possible, no matter your setup. Let's get into it. Start by clicking on the Windows search bar and typing allow an app. From the list of results, select allow an app through Windows Firewall. Once the window opens, click the change settings button at the top to enable editing. Now scroll through the list and look for Fortnite. If it's already listed, make sure that both private and public checkboxes are checked. This allows the game to communicate freely over both home and public networks. If Fortnite isn't listed, don't worry. Just click on allow another app at the bottom, then hit browse and manually locate Fortnite's executable file, usually found inside the Epic Games folder on your primary drive. Once you've added it to the list, make sure both network types are selected. Hit OK to save everything. By doing this, you ensure that Windows Firewall isn't silently blocking or throttling your game's online traffic, which can often be a hidden reason behind ping spikes and unstable connections. This simple tweak gives Fortnite the full network access it needs for the lowest possible ping. To begin your journey toward achieving zero ping in Fortnite, download the Fortnite High Ping Fix Pack from my official website and extract it to your desktop. Inside this pack are all the essential tools and tweaks designed to drastically lower your latency and give you a more stable and responsive online experience. First, open the folder and run the registry file included. This tweak disables the default network throttling behavior in Windows, unlocking your system's full bandwidth potential. By removing these restrictions, your PC can send and receive data with much less delay, which is crucial for real-time games like Fortnite. Next, launch TCP Optimizer from the same pack. Choose your active network adapter from the list, then slide the connection speed to 100 plus Mbps. This aligns your configuration with modern internet standards. Click on Optimal Settings and apply them to ensure your PC is tuned for both speed and reliability. Now, within TCP Optimizer, disable auto-tuning, which is known to interfere with latency-sensitive apps. Also turn off scaling heuristics, which can limit your bandwidth unnecessarily. Change the congestion control algorithm from cubic to CTCP. This setting better manages data flow on inconsistent or high latency connections, reducing packet loss and jitter in Fortnite. Disable RSS, receive side scaling, and RSC, receive segment coalescing, to prevent unnecessary CPU usage and ensure your system handles high data loads efficiently. Set the TTL, time to live, to 64 to help maintain consistent routing across the internet, resulting in more reliable ping times. Additionally, turn off checksum offloading, chimney offload, and large send offload, LSO. These features often offload network tasks to the hardware, but they tend to create input lag and instability during fast-paced online gaming. Enabling TCP 1323 timestamps can also improve performance on high latency networks, helping Fortnite remain smooth, even if your internet isn't perfect. Under TCP Optimizer's advanced settings, disable the network throttling index entirely. This removes artificial bandwidth limits that could otherwise interfere with Fortnite's real-time data exchange. Finally, set your system responsiveness to gaming, so Windows knows to prioritize low latency tasks over background processes. Once all these steps are applied and your PC has been restarted, your system will be fully optimized for the lowest possible ping in Fortnite, giving you that competitive edge with smoother gameplay and faster reaction times, even if you're not on a high-end connection. To get started with GEARUPBOOSTER, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GEARUPBOOSTER interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GEARUPBOOSTER. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Alright, let's take your connection to the next level by optimizing your network adapter settings for the lowest possible ping in Fortnite. These adjustments will help minimize delays, reduce packet loss, and give you a far more stable and responsive online experience, especially during intense matches. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing View Network Connections, and opening it. In the new window, find your active internet connection. If you see any unused or virtual adapters, like old VPNs or disconnected Ethernet ports, disable them. They can create routing conflicts or slow down your main connection. Once that's done, right-click your active adapter and choose Properties to begin the optimization process. In the Properties window, highlight Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4 or IPv6, depending on what your internet uses, and click Properties. To reduce DNS lookup time and possibly improve ping, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now, open Command Prompt as administrator and type ping 8.8.8.8 to test Google DNS and ping 1.1.1.1 to test Cloudflare DNS. Choose the one that gives you the lower ping. If Cloudflare is faster, set 1.1.1.1 as primary and 8.8.8.8 as secondary. If Google is faster, reverse the order. These DNS tweaks can improve responsiveness and help eliminate lag spikes in Fortnite. Next, let's dig deeper into the adapter settings. Right-click your active adapter again, click Configure, and go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box that allows Windows to turn off the device to save power. This can interrupt your connection mid-game. Now go to the Advanced tab and carefully optimize each setting for gaming. Disable adaptive interframe spacing and ARP offload, as they can interfere with real-time communication. Turn off energy-efficient Ethernet and flow control to prevent speed restrictions. Set Gigabit Master Slave Mode to auto-detect. Also, disable interrupt moderation and lower the moderation rate. This lets your system process network packets faster, which is ideal for games like Fortnite. Turn off IPv4 and IPv6 checksum offload, jumbo packet, and both large send offload LSO options to eliminate any unnecessary processing delays. Increase your receive buffers to the highest available value, commonly 1024 or 2048, to handle incoming data more efficiently. Enable packet priority and VLAN for smoother traffic management. Set speed and duplex to auto negotiation or the highest full duplex option your hardware supports. Finally, disable both TCP and UDP checksum offload, as these can negatively affect latency in some games. Once you've applied all these changes, click OK, then apply. Your network may momentarily disconnect and reconnect with the updated settings. Don't worry, that's normal. After this, your PC will be using a finely tuned network configuration built specifically for reducing ping, eliminating packet loss, and giving you the most stable Fortnite connection possible. So guys, that was today's video. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.